This is the best way to clean your outdoor trash can. If it stinks, if it's got maggots or sticky gunk all over it, this video has got you covered. Step 1 and first rule, always rinse first. Tilt the trash can on its side or upside down and spray out all the loose debris. You can use a garden hose, but if you have a pressure washer, it's far more effective, and this step alone will remove 80% of the mess. Step 2, spray the entire trash can down inside and out with a good solid degreaser. The degreaser is what will loosen up all the sticky gunk or any other buildup that you find in the can. Any degreaser will work, just use your favorite. Also, as you can see, it's a lot easier to apply if you use a pump-up sprayer. Just dilute your degreaser accordingly. If you don't know how to dilute your cleaning products, I did make a video for that. It will be listed and linked down below for you. Step 3, after the whole can has been sprayed down with your degreaser, grab you a deck brush or a broom, basically any brush with a long handle so you don't have to crawl inside the can, and then just scrub away. You won't have to scrub that hard because the degreaser will loosen up the gunk for you and do most of the heavy lifting for you. You just need to apply some type of friction so that the gunk will rinse away really easy. Step 4 is to rinse. So take your time and make sure you rinse all the degreaser away thoroughly, because if you leave any cleaning product behind, it will leave a sticky residue. Also, after you finish, just leave the can upside down in the sun, because the sunlight will just help it to dry faster. And also for the finishing touches, after it does dry, I recommend leaving some 𝗩𝗥𝗢𝗚𝗖𝗧 inside the can. Just pour about 2 cups worth inside, leave it in the bottom of the can, and it'll give it a really nice fragrance. And that is the best way to clean your trash can.